What we do here is go back.
What's up, YouTube? This your boy Kelly B coming at you with another custom dynamic install. Yeah, I got some more lights, y'all. I'm adding some more on here. But yeah, these are custom dynamic plug and play lights right here. Yeah, they run, turn, brake, everything. So, and it came with also a little connectors and stuff like that. So I can get them in because I already have quite a few of the custom dynamic lights on my bike. As you can see, I have the saddlebag lights here. I have the rear saddlebag lights here. I have custom dynamic here. The plug and play lights gonna go here, so I'm gonna remove this antenna here, and one go here. So yeah, so I'm pretty much custom dynamic out. I have custom dynamics on the front. My bike is dirty, so y'all have to forgive me in my garage. I have the front right here. I have the vents right here. And I have the turn and run signals here too also. So yeah, all custom dynamics. Nice lights, bright, shines great. So yeah, so now I'm finna get this all ready and get ready for the first install. And I'm gonna hook the first side up, and then I'll come back and show you the second side, how to hook the second side up. All right, I'll be back with you. Okay, I got the first side in, as you can see. Right here, got that side in. Great, everything. So, turn signal. So yeah, now I'm gonna install the other side and show you how to install it. You just take your plug here and you work your wire into here. And these just pops in. Try to put the wire to the top so your wire won't be down and get caught in your wheel or anything. So yeah, this just snap in. That can go in as easy as the other side, but the other one just, I can hear it pop. But yeah, that's that. On this side, it's popped in. Just make sure. And on this side here, you just kind of work it along the side here. You got your zip ties and everything. You just put your zip ties through here. Truck going by. Hold on for a second. Yeah, just put your zip ties through. It's getting dark on down here. Zip tie. And you just keep working your way on up to the front. Try to make sure you don't get too tight. Try to leave some slack in your, in there, so you have a little playroom. You don't want it to get too tight. Just keep putting your zip ties in these little loops here. Yeah, it's actually pretty easy. I thought I was gonna have some trouble, but I didn't. I didn't have any trouble. So just work it over here. You have actually one more here. I'm gonna zip tie. Just put that in there. Zip tied. Trying to make sure you don't get in your shocks. That's that's one of the last things you want. Just to get in your shocks. So yeah. And I always hide my wires behind here. I just work it under there, run it behind that, and I'm gonna pop that in on that side right there. So that's pretty much it on that. I don't know what I did with my needle nose curves. But I have a razor. Okay. Oh, here we go. I have some scissors here. I'm just gonna clip the wires. Clip the little take the extra stuff off. Now I'm going to install the bag, so when I put it all on, you can see the lights come on. I actually did all the installs on my bike myself. I just didn't do a lot of recording on my install. I just I just showed the finishing product. That's all I did. I finished up everything. So now you just take the little wire here, and you got a little wire here that you connect to that goes to the magic strobe right here. And this is my magic strobe here. And you just kind of take, you know what? I forgot to connect this here for my rear saddlebags. Just take these here. You're gonna have one open because you don't have a light for it to connect. Because there's so much that you connect back here on your bike. So I hope I got this right and everything. So look like I do. Everything is on. It's connected. All the lights are on. My hazards are blinking. So it looks good. I'm actually proud of myself. I never did want to work on my Harley, but to save money, you know, you do it yourself. And then sometimes you really want it done right, do it yourself. So I appreciate y'all watching this video and everything. Just, I'm happy with the install. So then y'all like, share, and subscribe to Kelly B's page. I'm a new YouTuber, just trying to make way with myself. So y'all have a blessed day.